These come in a bag, so there's really no label on them, but they came from Space Coast Ammo Supply. You'll see the difference. This is a Blazer. It says Blazer 9mm Luger right here. It's got Winchester on the back. This one says DAG. This one says WCC.
Hold it up steady, Joey.
These are all from Space Coast Ammo Supply. It comes in a bag. They're supposed to all be the same. It does not cycle the same through my Sig. Sig Sauer seems to fire everything except these properly. I don't know if it'll show, the others here, I'm not aiming for anything specific. I'm just trying to get it to cycle in the gun, make sure it feels good. Got 5 rounds in here. You see that it's all sorts of different cases. I've had issues with these in the past. We're going to do this a couple times to show you if I have an issue. Sig fires everything, I guess. Of course, as soon as I turn the camera off, Space Coast Ammo Supply, I went ahead and finished the rest of the rounds. So I can't use it. I don't understand. Sig cycles everything. I keep running into these issues. I wish I'd have caught this on video this time, but I didn't. But there it is. You see it. I think they're using reloads. I don't know what's going on because it's a lot of different brands of brass in there.